Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is the first video. I'm kidding, it's not the first video, but the last one was just trials. I was trying to figure out what should I do, but from now on I'm trying to teach you something maybe, or show you the things you didn't know before that. And as you can see, as you can feel, that English is not my first language, it's not even my second language. So just I hope you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. I'm sure you can do. Actually, I used to speak English better, but when I start to recording, I don't know, something happened to my mind and I forget my words, and yeah, that's what happened. But I want to be here because I want to talk with you guys. I want to have challenge for myself. So just let's get started. I met this guy before you come and watch my video. Let's make it smaller and put him here. I want to, redesign it, recreate it again, but maybe change the colors because I don't like some of the colors, the shadows and this wrinkle. I'm not sure if we call this wrinkles, but yeah, these guys made this guy old. I don't want him to be old. So first of all, I choose my rounded rectangular tool, or maybe ellipse tool. That depends on you. Yeah, rounded rectangular tool is better for me. And I change the color. Maybe choose just the color of his skin. That's fine for me. And then I choose my direct selection tool, choose that, choose this part of the shape and make it not rounded, make it sharp. I know it looks so bad, but I'm trying my best to make it look better. And then that depends on you, how you want to start. You can make his nose, make his eyes, ears, whatever. I want to make the eyes because I don't like this shape. I want to change that as soon as possible. So again, rounded rectangular tool, draw a rounded rectangular tool and change the color. I want it to be dark blue or something like that. Choose your selection tool, or just hit the V on your keyboard and put that here as the first eye. If it's big for you, you can change the size whenever you want, and hold the Alt or Option on your keyboard and click and drag it to make two of these guys. I want to change the place of the first one. That's fine. It could be a little bit longer, and yeah, that's fine. And again, it's even worth. I want to make the nose. I draw a rectangle, a rounded rectangular. I draw a rounded rectangular and change the color. Let me see what color I want. First of all, I choose this color and then I change it to something more reddish, I guess. Hit the OK, and now again it could be, yeah, that's fine. I choose my selection tool, choose both of them, and come here to horizontal, align center. That's fine. Choose both of them again. Oh my gosh, he's so ugly, but I promise to make it better. It should not be okay. To not be like a bird, just let's choose this one and make it a little bigger and change the place. Okay, that's fine. I'm sure it's gonna be better. Actually, I like this nose better. I don't know why. Maybe because, oh, I got it. I delete this one. I choose this one. No, I'm kidding. That was fine. What am I doing? Okay, that's fine. That's just fine. I will make it better with the shadows. I promise to you guys. And then I want to make the eyebrows. So rounded rectangular tool. Draw something like this. Choose your eyedropper tool. Choose the colors from here, or that depends on you what color you want. Hit V on your keyboard and place it here. Make it bigger or smaller if you want. That's fine for me. Hold the Alt or Option on your keyboard and click and drag to make a copy of that. And I can see it's not at the correct place, but yeah, that's fine. And I want to change the place of his head. And I want to make all these guys and make all of them oh my gosh, make all of them smaller because I guess they are too big. And change the place of the nose. That's fine. And choose the head, the nose, and again click on the head with holding the Alt. Sorry, yeah, with holding the Alt and hit on horizontal align tool. They were aligned already. So after that I want to make the beard of his face. So just copy the head with holding the Alt and come here around your shape to see this guy, and yeah, that's what I want to do. And change the color. Select your eyedropper tool and click on the eyebrow. Select your selection tool and bring it here. Yeah, that's fine. I guess here is fine. And oh my gosh, I guess it takes years and years to have this size of beard. Okay, that's fine. You can change this size whenever you want. And after that, what should I do? I want to make the ears, or maybe the line of beard. I don't know. Copy the eyebrows, change the angle of these guys, and copy. Yeah, that's fine. And then I want to make his mouth. That's fine. Change the color. No, I don't like this color. I want to be it more pink, maybe. No, not pink, not yellow, maybe red. Yeah, that's fine. And place it at the right place. He's so mad, I guess. That's fine. I know he has a really long face, but I can change it whenever I want. So maybe I wanted to do that now. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, I want to make his ears. So the color of the mouth is fine. And choose your rounded rectangular tool or just ellipse tool and draw a real circle or something like that. I guess it's fine. Choose it here. I want it to be behind the head, so just click your Control Shift and bracket, or just right click on that, arrange and send to back or send backward, whatever you want, and change the place. And then as it's selected, go to your reflect tool, hold Alt and click on the center, choose the copy, and boom, you have another copy of the ear. I want to change the color. I'm sorry, I'm thinking at the same time. and I'm trying to speak English, so it's a little hard for me, but I'm sure you guys understand. Change the color. Let me see. Oh no. No. I want it to be darker than his skin. That's fine, I guess. And I want to change the color of the nose. I don't know, I cannot go with it. Choose the color of the face and then choose a darker color. Yeah, that's fine. That's so better. And then I want to go for the shadows. First of all, the shadow of the nose, because it's a huge difference between with the shadows or without the shadows. I choose the rounded rectangular tool. I make a thin rounded rectangular and change the color to something, yeah, exactly like this. I can change the color whenever I want, so I'm not so obsessed with the color. Put it here, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. Now for the shadow of here, I choose the main shape of the nose and go to edit, copy, paste in front, again edit, copy, paste in front. Okay, sorry, paste in front. And now I choose my selection tool, choose the, it's already chosen, so just, move it up or, a little toward the side, and again choose the other shape, holding shift and choose the other shape you copied here, and go to build shape to build shape builder 2, and hold the alt and click on these two parts of the shape. Now we have just this one. I choose the selection tool, click on that and change the color to something darker because it's a shadow. Okay, I want to bring it, arrange, bring it to front. That's fine. Beautiful. Then I choose this part and do the same, or just maybe I make a copy by holding the alt and click on this one and this one and this one and arrange, bring to front. No, sorry, I forgot this one. Choose this one, two, and arrange, bring to front. Now choose this one and change the color to something really dark. That's fantastic. I guess that's fine, but it's too big, I guess. Make it smaller by holding alt, by holding shift and alt. Yeah, it was too big. That's fine now. And now for the shape of the shape, no, for the shadow of the beard, I choose the beard, go to edit, copy, paste in front, copy, paste in front again, choose this one. It's not obvious. Okay, let me see. That would be fine. Yeah, that's fine. And now I want to make the shadows of other parts of the face, his face. I don't want to make the video so long. I make it time lapse, so let's jump into it. Okay, I guess it's fine. I just want to make his clothes by choosing a color, maybe this red and make his color. We call it color, yeah, color. That's fine. And just make some shadows, some highlights, sorry, on his beard. Choose your rounded rectangular tool and draw a little shape and change the color to something maybe here. I can change the color later. Yeah, that's fine. I copy. No, don't change the angle, just make it bigger. Copy it again, here and here and here. That's fine, don't go too much of the, make it smaller. And yeah, that's fine. And some of these guys on his color, change the angle, make it bigger, and change the color to something lighter than his shirt. Okay, and make a copy of that, make it smaller, and we are good to go. I know he has a really big face, long face, but that's fine. I like it. You can make it, yeah, you can make it smaller, not this long, but I really like that when it's long. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. That's fine. Yeah, tell me that's fine. Okay. So that's it all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and sorry for my English. I promise to speak better in next videos. See you guys so soon. Bye bye.